Peace be upon you, and may Allah's mercy and blessings be upon you. Welcome to the Kaaba Calling Channel. This is my very first video, where I will be introducing the rituals of Hajj and Umrah. To begin this journey, I'd like to start with an important topic: the preparations you should make before departing for Umrah, apart from your travel documents. My dear brothers and sisters, as we know, Umrah is a physical act of worship. In the Holy Land, you will perform tawaf and see, both of which require walking. Unless you are sick, elderly, or unable to walk, you are expected to complete them on foot. If you cannot, you are permitted to use a wheelchair. During tawaf, you circle the Kaaba 7 times. If you take the shortest path close to the Kaaba, you will cover about 3.5 kilometers in total. Then, for sa'i between Safa and Marwa, you will walk about 3 kilometers more. And when visiting the sacred sites in Medina and Mecca, walking will make the experience more meaningful and enjoyable. For this reason, it is highly recommended to begin light physical exercise in advance. You can start by walking around your neighborhood, a park, or a track. If you are not used to walking, begin with short distances, then gradually increase. Ideally, you should be able to walk at least 5 kilometers comfortably before you travel. This preparation is very important, so that, God willing, you will have the strength and endurance to perform tawaf, see, visit the holy sites, and complete all the rites of Umrah with ease. The next preparation is to eat nutritious food. As you already know, good nutrition strengthens your body, giving you the energy you need to complete the journey of Umrah. Third, visit your doctor or a healthcare professional. If you have any specific medical conditions, such as diabetes, heart disease, or others, let them know about your plans to perform Umrah. They will advise you and give you the necessary medicines to take with you, so you are prepared during your trip. Next, try to settle any outstanding debts. If you have debts that are due, pay them before you leave. This will, God willing, help you perform a more sincere and accepted Umrah. Lastly, strengthen your ties with family, friends, and neighbors. Take the time to ask forgiveness from anyone you may have wronged. Let them know you are leaving for Umrah, and ask them to pray for you, so that Allah allows you to complete all the rites, grants you an accepted Umrah, and brings you back home safely and in good health. My dear brothers and sisters, those are the preparations you should ideally begin at least 30 days before departing for Umrah. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video so it can benefit more people. Peace be upon you, and may Allah's mercy and blessings be upon you.